What's going on, guys? So it is rifle season, as you can tell. I'm wearing orange. I haven't seen you guys in a long time. It don't mean we ain't been trying. We've been hunting. As you can see, I'm out here right now in the middle of nowhere, off in these mountains. Deer hunting's hard this year in the mountains. There's no there ain't hardly no food. There is some once you get up high, but it's real spotty, or at least in my experience. What little acorns I did have found have been eaten out. So we're up here on some big mountain forest, and a place I've never been before. I'm just hunting for white oaks pretty much. I've walked through laurel thicket, and I have come up into this beautiful dang holler in here, just piled with white oaks. Seems like every tree in here is a white oak. This dang purdy, man, purdy. Surrounded by these laurel thickets up here up high. But the reason I decided to hop on here and give you guys kind of an update, like I said, I hadn't seen you in a while, and I know you kind of expect some content with it being deer season and stuff, but we've been hunting, man. I killed one doe in North Carolina, but it was too dark for the footage. But I just want to update the few people that do watch my stuff, is that we ain't done trying. I just come up in here and I jumped 2 deer, definitely. I seen one and I heard another one blowing back up on this ridge, which is a good sign because I hadn't even seen a deer track, and I bet I've been a mile and a half. So as soon as I come in these white oaks and these big laurel thickets, we jumped 2 deer up on the side of the ridge. That don't mean there's any food in here, but it means that, the deer are using this, so that's good information. Anyway, I just wanted to update you guys a little bit, tell you we're trying. I got Missouri and Kentucky coming up in less than a month, like 3 weeks. So something's gonna hit the ground. We're gonna get some footage hopefully uploaded. But this is what I'm doing. I'm out looking, trying. I bet I've been hunting 30 times, and I've filmed every time I've been. I just ain't connected with nothing. It's hot today. It's like 75. I'm sweating like to death. My back is soaked. I don't even plan on sitting down, just looking. But looking for a spot to sit when it comes colder weather. But I appreciate you guys following along with me anyway. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I love each and every one of you watching this video. I hope you guys have a blessed day and a blessed deer season. And let me know if you're having any luck. Check out Tater Ridge TV on Instagram. Tater Ridge Walker on TikTok. That's where I upload most of my stuff. But we're going to keep trying, guys. I appreciate you guys sticking with me.